Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unrestrict your account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to identify your account restriction reason. So basically here we are in the Robinhood support articles and now you will be able to see all the restriction reason. So there is a company control person where there are restrictions to, as you can see how it looks. So basically, if you declare yourself as a control person for a company, you will be blocked from trading, etc. And there are many other reasons. So to remove a restriction, all you need to do is just go and ask the support of Robinhood. So you can just apply for a support ticket, etc. So we can just click on contact Robinhood support from here, or you can just search it in your web browser. Just type Robinhood support, or you can just go to your account setting and go to the help. After that, you can just go to the contact, so you can contact the support, so you can be able to unrestrict your account. You can go to your support chat, or you can click on contact support and then you can send you can talk about them and you can just type for example restriction and then you will have a number to or you will be able to contact an agent in the Robinhood support, and basically by that you will be able to go through the process of unrestricting your account and make sure that you have the proof that you are not uh, breaching the account restrictions law or conditions. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.